Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Overnight Action Report here at MarketStream.live. My name is Joe Cusick from the Cusick Group, securities offered by MoneyBlock. Let's take a look at all the overnight action from Asia. Take a look at the Japanese Nikkei. It fell 1.2%, giving back everything that it had made from Wednesday's session. Yen strength was really the catalyst to the downside, and that contributed to the weakness in the equity. The yen finished this session and is trading at almost at its year high so far this new trading year at 112.34. Also, you had the FOMC statement that came out yesterday. It was a lot less hawkish than what was expected. That allowed the dollar to pull back some. That gave some catalyst to the upside on the yen, which also trimmed any profits that you saw in Japan. Nippon Sheet Glass, as well as Casio Computer, Mitsubishi Electric, and Mitsubishi Logistics, Yamaha, Isuzu Motors, all down between 2.4% and 8.7%. EWJ is trading at $50.84. The one-day range today and tomorrow is 37 cents. So we're going to watch that very closely. Not a big mover, right? I mean, we know that EWJ and these ETFs don't move a ton, but we have basically, about 0.5% being priced in, or 1% being priced in for potential movement, or 1.5%, excuse me. $50 is still a critical level for the bulls to watch. A break in EWJ of $50 could put the bulls in a short-term pressure point. China's Shanghai Composite is still closed for the lunar holiday. Hong Kong's Hang Seng is open, and it surrendered its opening gain, and we saw it finish the overnight session down by 0.6%. We're starting to see pressure on property names, and the biggest laggards have been China Resources, Sino Land, as well as New World Development. China Overseas and Hang Lung Properties also lost between 0.6% and 1.6%. EWH is trading right now at 21.09. This Hong Kongese ETF has a 15-day range being priced in at 45 cents either up or down on this $21 ETF. Watch $20.50. That means that long-term support is under pressure. That could put the bulls on the run. India's Sensex finally is added 0.3%, and that's despite the fact that we saw over half its components in the red in the overnight session. We did see some big pharma on the move. Dr. Reddy's Labs and Sun Pharma, they posted pretty decent gains of 3.3% and 2.6% respectively. We saw Infosys and Tata Consulting, as well as ICICI Bank, adding between 1.6% and 2.1%. It is notable, especially with Tata, seeing Tata up, as well as Tata Consulting, as well as Infosys. They're the ones that do the consulting visas, or send consultants over to the United States on those special work visas. With the new Trump administration policies on incoming foreigners, it should be interesting to see how these stocks in India play out, bouncing after some pretty decent losses over the last two sessions. EPI is trading at 21.43, and right now we're seeing a 32-cent range being priced in for the remainder of this week for this $21 ETF that tracks Indian stocks. All right, folks, that's it for the overnight session. Join me at 8:45 Eastern Time. I will be talking all about the European markets here at MarketStream.live. See you then.